Dog, you have to put your foot on the brakes too. You're going like you're just a drive. Yeah. Go on. Go on. Well, here for the movement, man. Nice. Yo, Chromatic have a thing like the man say, seeing, you know, like when you do something, you make a mistake and you have to cut.
Yeah.
About 2 million. You know, the man said, like the man that say, popcorn in association with Not Nice. The man said, Pop Nice in association.
Oh, him said what?
No, dog, Tanto blocks.
The man make about 1 million mistakes. Yo, but I tell them, I watch you all like that. The man a jam, man.
You want a sample, man, that dog.
Man a sample star.
And then man a DJ man say, yo, Gaza, me say.
Yeah.
It a tape?
Yeah.
You have a bag of selector in a business, and the man girl is on a rape.
Fish.
Fish, but you know, Vybz Kartel and Popcorn, Not Nice. Khalistan, aka Afghanistan. Mooney, represent for Chromatic. You see me I talk about, and why we say Chromatic, look on the bench, it's chrome and it's matic.
Why?
Yeah, man. And just like the Benz Chromatic, it's S-Class. That means very special. There's no other like it. Okay? Every lady wants to buy it. I'm going to tell you this. The people that need to vote the Chromatic sound, the sound of the year, because them lock down every uptown event. Them lock every downtown event. Them lock every Portmore event. So this award is something the haters should not prevent. I'm going to tell you, say, I think the name already sealed in cement. So them for know, seeing the people them go out and vote the Chromatic the sound of the year. I swear. Here. Forward nearer. Forward nearer. Everybody know Vybz Kartel artist of the year. Song of the year. Controversial artist of the year. Male of the year. Means everything of the year. Except queer. Watch me now. Everybody know Popcorn is best new artist. And he's the smartest of the year. Everything. And you know Not Nice is producer of the year. See? But right now, we didn't not talk about Vybz Kartel and we're not talking about Popcorn and we're not talking about Not Nice, we're talking about Chromatic. You see me I say? Oh, no, no, you wanna be bad man, get on your own matic. Oh. Yeah, Chromatic was said, DJ of the year. Vybz Kartel said that. Make sure you vote for Chromatic. So take up on the phone, up on the internet, do what it takes to make Chromatic #1, as he already is. And this is Vybz Kartel explaining the biz. No, oh, oh.